Hi friends, welcome to Best for Government Jobs channel. Today we will discuss the daily current affairs quiz questions and answers with voice explanation of 3rd and 4th May 2020. Please post your answers in the comments. I never ask you to like the videos. It's useless for both of you and me. But I must ask you to comment your answers. It's very useful to you. So let us start the questions. First question, Article 54 of the Indian Constitution is related to which among the following? Options, election of Prime Minister, election of Vice President, election of President, election of the Lok Sabha Speaker. Please pause the video and post your answers in the comments. Answer is election of President. This is related to polity question. Recently, the Election Commission of India has replied to a right to information query if the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir will be part of the Electoral College for the election of the President of India. In this context, we have framed this question. So, related to this question, we have to read the backgrounds of President's election. In this, Article 54 is very important. Please refer the articles. So, moving to the next question. International Energy Agency is based in which among the following cities of the world? Options, Geneva, Paris, New York, The Hague. Correct answer, Paris. So recently, the International Energy Agency has released a report detailing the impact of COVID-19, which it has called a once in a century crisis. That is global energy demands and CO2 emissions. As we know, with lockdowns imposed in several countries, transportation such as road and air travel has been largely restricted. So due to which global energy demands have decreased. So in this context, we have to know the background of International Energy Agency, that is where it is headquartered and also when it was established. So like that, we have to know about these backgrounds. So moving to the next question. India has recently signed 1.5 billion loan to support its COVID-19 immediate response with which among the following? Options, World Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, New Development Bank, Asian Development Bank. Correct answer is Asian Development Bank. So we have seen recently in the news that the government of India and the Asian Development Bank signed a 1 billion loan that will support the government's response to the novel coronavirus disease pandemic. So in this context, we have to know the background of Asian Development Bank, when it was established, and also what is the purpose of this bank. So not only about Asian Development Bank, we have to read all these options. So we have to read about World Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, and also New Development Bank. So please go through the background of these. So moving to the next question. Geographical Indication Registry is located in which among the following cities of India? Options, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru. Correct answer, Chennai. Recently, we have seen in the news that some products have received geographical indication tags. So, in this perspective, we have to know the geographical indication background. The important things are geographical indications registry and also geographical indication of goods registration and protection act 1919, and also we have to know the what is the recent new products. That is, we have already seen the two products, that those are Chakhawa rice, black rice, that is in Manipur, and also Gorakhpur terracotta, including Kashmir saffron and Kovilpatti Kadalai Mithai. So all these four new products have been recently accorded geographical indication tag. So please remember that. Moving to the next question. What is the rank of India in terms of the Budget Transparency and Accountability Survey? Options, 51, 52, 53, 54. Correct answer 53. As I already told you that indexes and surveys reports are all important, frequently asked in the competitive examinations. In these four categories we have to remember. First one, what is the topmost country? That is best performed country. Second, what is the bottom country? That is worst performed country. Also, third one is what is the India's rank? And also final and main thing is which organization or agency is publishing this survey or report or index. So please remember all these four things. So moving to the next question. What are the main causative agents in acute encephalitis syndrome cases? Options: bacteria, parasites, fungus, viruses. Correct answer is viruses. So, in this present situation, coronavirus pandemic situation, we have to know the background of not only about coronavirus but also about other related viruses. So, recently the Health Minister of India assured all support to the state government of Bihar for the containment and management of the acute encephalitis syndrome cases. So, in this perspective, we have framed this question. We have to read about the background of acute encephalitis syndrome, like what are the symptoms, what are the causative agents, like that. So, moving to the next question. Which of the following app has recently launched to connect farmers to supply chain? Options: Kisan Rath, Kisan Sabha, Kisan Vahan, Kisan Seva. Correct answer: Kisan Sabha. We have already discussed some of the most important mobile apps. Those are developed recently. These are very important mobile applications. So in that Kisan Sabha app also very important. Please remember this. Moving to the next question. Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program was implemented by which among the following ministry? Options: Ministry of Human Resource Development, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Labor and Employment, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Correct answer: Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Why this question was framed? Because recently we have seen in the news that in order to accelerate employment generation in the country, the Ministry of MSME has done away with the role of district level task force committee in recommending the proposals under this program. So thereby simplifying the entire procedure of this program. So as per the amended guidelines, Khadi and Village Industries Commission will be the nodal agency. So please remember that here we have to know the background of this program and also about Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Moving to the next question. What is the growth of India's core sector in March 2020? Options: 6%, 6.5%, 7%, 7.5%. Correct answer: 6.5%. As per the recently released data of Commerce Ministry, output at India's core sector contracted by 6.5% in March. That comes as the sharpest contract. That is very low in the index since the new series began in 2012. So in this context, we have to read about the background of 8 core sectors industries and also Index of Industrial Production, that is IIP. So please go through about these backgrounds. Moving to the next question, that is last question. The constitutional crisis has recently been observed in which among the following states of India? Options: Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is Maharashtra. As all we know that Maharashtra is very much in coronavirus crisis. It has also has a constitutional crisis to resolve. That is, the CM of Maharashtra, who took oath in November, will have to get elected to either of the houses of the state legislature before last week of May. So this is as per Article 164 under subclass 4 of the Constitution. So what is this article? As per the Article 164 subclass 4 of the Constitution, a minister who for any period of 6 consecutive months is not a member of the legislature of the state shall at the expiration of that period cease to be a minister. So in this perspective, we have to know these articles, including this Article 171 subclass 5 of the Constitution also we have to read. So all these questions are very important. Please revise them and also read the backgrounds of them, because in competitive examinations they don't ask only current affairs questions, but also they will ask mostly on their backgrounds. I will give daily current affairs questions and their backgrounds questions. Regarding that, we have to read about the backgrounds, then only you will reach your goal. Don't forget that. Revise them. All the best. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.